Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into Modalyst, one of the top dropshipping platforms that's taking e-commerce by storm. Whether you're just starting or scaling your store, Modalyst, where's your time? Let's find out. So, Modalyst is a platform that connects your online store with suppliers offering unique, high-quality products. Think trendy fashion, eco-friendly items, or cool gadgets, all available to add to your store in just a few clicks. One thing I love about Modalyst is its automated features. Inventory syncing means no more selling out of stock items, and shipping is surprisingly fast with US based suppliers. Plus, you can control your profit margins with customizable pricing rules. It's beginner friendly, has a wide range of products, and integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify and Wix. The cons are the premium plans can feel pricey for new sellers, and some suppliers have limited product options. Modalyst is perfect for small business owners looking to stand out with unique products and fast shipping. It's also a solid choice for eco-conscious sellers thanks to their selection of sustainable goods. So, is Modalyst worth it? If you are ready to save time and grow your dropshipping store with ease, definitely give it a shot. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.